So are you interested on how you can make homemade teeth whiteners? Well, my name is Michelle and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm here to explain to you and show you on how to make homemade teeth whiteners. One of the best treatment options for whitening your teeth at home is using baking soda and water. It's pretty easy. What you want to do is you want to get some baking soda in a cup and then pour some water into it, and you want to make the measurements, 50% baking soda, 50% water. Just pour the water into it and then kind of mix it around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create, you keep mixing it until you kind of create a paste consistency. And then when this is all mixed together, then you'd actually dip your toothbrush into it and then brush your teeth with it for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. Kind of really focus on getting in between your teeth, on the top of your teeth. What that will do at that point in time is it'll create like a foam consistency, and that foam will start eating away at the stainings that you have in between your teeth and around your tooth surface. So that's a great treatment option to use at-home bleaching products. Or another great way is you can actually use lime and salt. You just get a lime, squeeze it into a cup, and then put 50% salt into it. Same thing. You want to even it out. 50% lime juice, 50% salt, and then mix it into like a paste consistency. Place it on your toothbrush, and then start brushing away for about 1 to 2 minutes. The acid in the lime and the salt, the coarseness of the salt, that will actually start eating away at the stains. Rinse your mouth out really good with cold water afterwards, and then you'll be all set to go. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you on how you can make homemade teeth whiteners.